Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 1999 Hot Wheels. Today we have a 1999 Mustang from the 1999 first editions, and this is number 2 of 26 in that set. A little rip right there on the package. Boom. Number 909 on the year. There's some other cars that you can get from the first edition series. Copyright is 1998 on this package. Special collector poster you could get back then. Okay, let's get it out of the package and check it out. Really sweet. I like the purple with the tan interior. All the purple is metal. I like these mags. No sound to them too. Very nice. It says Mustang on the back, but it doesn't have painted taillights or painted headlights. And everything looks cool. Girls, I'm doing a video. Girls playing in the yard right now. Let's see how this rolls on the track. Oh, it's got some nice weight to it too. Ooh, frontwards works better for my little racquetball getup. Nice. Plastic bottom. And this car is made in Malaysia. 2 rivets. And like I said, this has some really nice weight to it. It's got a nice sound too. No sound. Almost no sound. Sweet. Nice drifter. Sweet donuts. 1999 Mustang. Obviously a Ford Mustang, but that's not what it says on the package. Sometimes it says Ford, sometimes it don't. I like this a lot. This is going in my Timmy's 10 Again favorites case. I'm not messing around with this one. I don't want it to get chipped. I really like the purple, and I've been looking for some purple ones to open and add to my loose collection so I can display them in my Timmy's 10 Again Stress-Free Toy Warriors group. Check that out if you're on Facebook. Staring on the left there. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching the whole video. And T10 out. With one more spin. There we go.